Welcome to the first video in the shop. So this is going to be video number 1 on working on the JK. So we're going to do a build series on this thing. So we're going to mount the wheels and tires. We had some old set of 35s laying around for this thing, so we'll slap the new wheels on there. They're not bad tires, they're just not good tires, but they're good enough to run for this season. It doesn't matter.
I wasn't even in it.
So we are going to install the Rock Tricks Classic 7 split mesh. Okay, for the 6th time, the Rock Tricks Classic 7 split mesh.
7 split spoke mesh.
So we're gonna put these on that thing.
That's pretty good. I think that's
enough. Okay, so we're gonna set this up. We're gonna put it on a time lapse and go. I think I can make that work.
Is that the appropriate tool, John?
Valve stem tool.
Ah!
Oh, nice. Dude, those are pretty sick.
You dig it?
I like these wheels.
Yeah, I think they look dope.
So we got the tires mounted up, yep, on used tires, but new ones will come down the line, but these is what I got for right now. So now we're gonna put them on there and see what it looks like. 35s with no lift.
Oh shit! I don't know why I thought it would roll better than that.
I know I got a lift, but it doesn't run, it doesn't drive. We're gonna put wheels on it.
We have nothing better to do.
Hey, we gotta build an engine. Nah, let's put the wheels on it. Race car, baby.
How fast can you go?
Oh.
Whoa! Look at that sucker.
That's how fast, bro.
God.
Still going.
Maybe hold on to it. Oh my!
I thought I could hit it and go
just
onto
fly,
the studs. Okay. Holy cow, they fit.
Dang.
Yeah, I'm digging those. So this is my first bronze set of any type of wheel. It's always been black or black. I like them. We'll clean them up. We'll put some new tires on. We're gonna put another 3.8 into this thing, but we're gonna put it on nitrous. So
Definitely makes this Jeep look way better.
yeah. Okay, in one of our last videos, we put nitrous on this thing and we blew the hood up. So it damaged it pretty good, buckled it. So we're gonna do a little bit of body work. We're gonna put hood louver on there and it's gonna look so sick. It's gonna be absolutely non-functional, but it's gonna be there to cover up a mistake that we had made earlier. I think it'll work.
You think it'll work?
I don't know.
We're gonna find out.
Hey, it's working.
Now it's a 2x4.
I wanted 2 pieces anyway, so. Oh, that was bad.
Oh, much better.
It's not good. That's okay. That's okay. Back in business. Yeah, if you need any body work, you just come see us.
Probably not, but
It's fine if you don't look at it. That's the best it's gonna get. My job's done.
so much for the body work we just did.
Hey, it's mint. We got the new wheels on there. They look amazing. Go to rocktricks.com. I'll throw a link in the description. Use code Wesco Offroad to save yourself some money. Perfect timing. See you on the next video.